Hello grade 10 and hello math enthusiasts. Welcome to another video lesson of your math teacher Glenn. This time, we're going to have week 7 of quarter 3, the probability of a union of two events. The union of two events is a new event that contains all of the outcomes that are in at least one of the two events, and it is denoted by P open and close parenthesis A union B. We can categorize it into three. Let's say the first one. If the elements of A and B are not the same, then the probability of two events is obtained by probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Let's have some example. Max rolled a pair of die and wished to find the probability of the number that turns up is a 5 or an even number. So we have a pair of die. How many sides does a die have? Very good, 6. And that is our sample space. So to start with, first let us identify our two events. Event A is a number 5 and event B is the even number. Elements of A is 5 and elements of B are even numbers, and those are 2, 4, 6. Can you see an element that is present on A and also present on B? Very good, there's none. With that, we can simply say that the probability of A union B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. So, the probability of A union B is simply equal to 1 over 6 plus 3 over 6, and that is equal to 4 over 6. And in lowest term, that is 2/3. Let's have the second one. What have you noticed about the Venn diagram shown? Yes, it has an intersection. If there are the same elements from A and B, then the probability of two events is obtained by probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A intersect B. Let's have an example. Max rolled a pair of die and wished to find the probability of the number that turns up is an even number or number greater than 3. Again, let's identify the two events. Event A, we have the even number, and event B, number that greater than 3. And the elements of A are 2, 4, 6, and the elements of B are 4, 5, 6. Do you see elements that are present on both events? Yes, we have 4 and 6. With that, we can say that the probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A intersect B. So the probability of A union B is equal to 3 over 6 plus 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6, and that is equal to 4 over 6. And in lowest term, that is 2/3. Let's have the third one. If all elements of A are also in B, then the probability of two events is obtained by probability of A union B is equal to probability of B. Let's have an example for this one. Max rolled a pair of die and wished to find the probability of the number that turns up is less than 4 or less than 5. Again, let's identify the two events. Event A are numbers that are less than 4, and event B are numbers that are less than 5. So we have the elements of A, we have 1, 2, 3, and elements of B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you noticed that all elements of A are there in B? With that, the probability of A union B is simply equal to the probability of B. Therefore, we have A union B is equal to 4 over 6, or simply 2/3. That's it for today. Have a nice day. See you again next time.